Hey everyone, it's Jamie from the Binary Destroyer. I just wanted to do a quick live trade with you guys. I want to show you why I took this trade and hopefully the outcome of this trade. Hopefully it's a winner and I can just break the markets down for you. So I'll be doing a lot of these videos, a lot of real price action trading, showing you really how the market works. The reason for that is because when we move the Binary Destroyer to FX Learning, we will be concentrating a lot on teaching our members how to really understand the charts, okay? Because it's important, okay? You know, you can have the Binary Destroyer strategy, you can have the indicator, but at the end of the day you need to understand how the market works. So you can see I've got two trades at the minute, both coming in nicely into the money. And I just want to break it down for you why I believe this is going to be a nice winner, and I'm going to move my target just there. So there we go, you can see we're nice, £73 dropping nicely. So I want to explain to you quickly why I got into this trade and why I believe it's a good setup. So I'm going to load up literally just naked trading like this. I use a 50 EMA, okay? I've got some volume down here and an RSI, and pretty much that's all I use really for scalping. I do use the Binary Destroyer, don't get me wrong, but we need to obviously show you guys how to actually trade this properly. So I'm currently just going to change my foreground to black so you can see all the numbers. Okay, so let's zoom in. First of all, we flick over to the daily time frame. Now, what can I see on the daily time frame? Well, I can see we've been in a nice uptrend for quite some while now. This is on the daily time frame. So really since March until May we have been in an uptrend, okay? And it's been oversold. You can see the RSI, it's been overbought for quite some while now, and we even have a bit of diversions. You can see the RSI is starting to head down, okay, but price action is telling us it's heading up, okay, which normally symbolizes to me that the market is overbought and it's ready to turn. So we can establish that on the daily time frame that USD JPY is over trade. I'm £114 in profit now. That's nice. So we can see that, okay? So let's break it down to the lower time frames, because what we need to do now is find our entry on the lower time frames. Okay, and I flick over and I actually called this trade. I'm actually £191 in profit now. This is dropping nicely. Let me move my other SL just there we go. So two trades, £200 so far. So yeah, so I flick over to the 1 hour chart and I actually took this trade short as well, and I'm still in this trade. The reason being is because if you look at the 1 hour, okay, it's been the 50 EMA has been respected quite some time. You know, you can see numerous bounces there, bounce here, a bounce here, and a bounce there. So it's a kind of strong indication when the price does break this moving average that the price is likely to head down. Okay, and it did that yesterday. We can see the price broke the 50, which symbolized to me it was in a downtrend. So I actually took this trade all the way down. I'm currently still in pips. I think I'm £455 in profit, but I'm still going down. You know, we've got a nice pullback here before we look to head down here. So the reason why I got into this quick short trade, I'm currently 220 pips now in profit. Okay, I'm going to break it down for you on the 1 hour chart. What can I see on the 1 hour? We can see a nice pullback. Can you see this? A nice pullback. Now, we need to find out where this pullback's going to go. You know, it's not going to keep going all the way up here. So I zoomed out and I drew my support area. I'm thinking, why would the price reverse off there? And I can see a nice support area here. If I zoom in, you can see a nice little touch here, a touch here, and a touch here. We broke down, we pulled back, and now we are rejecting again. So what becomes support has now become resistance. So I can see that there is a valid resistance level at actually the 110.415. So what I'm going to do now is flick over to the 5 minutes. Okay, now what I'm looking for again, okay, you can see on the 5 minutes, okay, we've actually broke the moving average again. And what was I'm moving my stop loss, and what was I saying before, how it's been respected? You can see that the price has been bouncing off this moving average, this 50 EMA. So we can see when it breaks the 50, it's a very significant move down. Okay, it kind of indicates to us that the market is heading down, and then we can see a pullback, and now I'm £265 profiting now. Okay, so the reason why I got into this trade, okay, again, is go to the 5 minute charts, and we can see we broke down, we've made a lower high. Okay, if I add this here, can you see our lower high? So you can see there is our major resistance area, okay, and that is based off the 1 hour. You can see bounce, bounce, bounce. We go to the 30 minutes, and we can see that resistance level still being respected, and then we flick over to the 5 minutes. Now, where is my take profit? Well, my take profit is at the next support area, which is just where did I draw it? Just here. So let me join that there, just there. Now, the reason why I've drawn this one here is because, again, we've got a few rejections at this level, a few rejections here, a kind of rejection at the top here, and now we're heading down to that level. So pretty much you can see why I got into this trade. I'm now £208 in profit. But yeah, I mean, pretty much that is it. That's the reason why I got into this trade. And as you can see, I have nice clean charts. The RSI is also indicating to us the same thing. So yeah, I'm going to leave that there. As you can see, I'm now £204 in profit. I might close these early. 216, 220. Let me see what the 1 minute's doing. Now we're heading down. Yeah, I'm going to close these trades early. So close, and we're going to nice close. So there we go, nice bit of profit made, pretty much in, how long did it take me to make this? 7 minutes. So £200 in 7 minutes. So yeah, moving forward, I will be teaching this in our advanced training course. And you can see I've actually got the binary destroyer loaded up. If I load up the new binary destroyer 5.0, I'm pretty sure, in fact, let me just, what I'll do, guys, is I will, what was it, what trade was it, USD/JPY. So I'll actually load up the binary destroyer, and we can see how this would have reacted to that price that we just got in. Okay, look, again, signal arrow. Beautiful signal arrow there. Okay, this is actually a really good setup, and this is a sort of setup that a lot of guys in the VIP group trade. So the way they trade this is they're using the 200, this is a 100 actually, they're using the 100 as their trend confirmation, and they're waiting for the price to be in the buy and sell zone and a signal arrow to appear. Now if Tony or Lewis is watching this video, they will know exactly what I mean about this setup here, because this is the sort of setup these guys take, and it's really good that it actually happened exactly where I took it, just trading, naked trading. So yeah, I'm going to leave that there, guys. If you have any questions, just drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com.